really love when I have a problem to solve and I find the product that works perfectly. So I'm going to put some footage right here so you can see what the problem was and how I solved it. So my keyboard sits on a black desk. My keyboard is black. My monitor sits up on a riser that creates a shadow down on my keyboard. It basically disappears. So what I needed was a little bit of light to shine down on my keyboard when I was ready to use it. So I also wanted it to be motion sensing, so that was a lot to ask. But when I found these lights by Infinity, I knew that I found exactly what I needed. So super easy to use, completely magnetic on the back, so they can adhere to anything metal. You turn your power on. My power is on. I can change the temperature of my light easily. I can turn on whether I want to utilize the remote control. Which is great. I can also tell it how far away something needs to move in order for it to turn on. So you can do 5 foot, 10 foot, or 20 foot. For my keyboard, obviously my hands are very close, so I did the 5 foot mark. The package came with 3. Like I said, they're magnetic, but if you're going to attach them to something that is not metal, they do come with these little clips that you can stick places, and that way, if you're doing something where it's not metal, you have the option. The 3 lights come with their own charging cord and charge using a USB-C, which, I love because batteries are a thing of the past. And so, yeah, it definitely solved the problem that I was having. And when I find a product that solves my problem, I'm always happy.